Puget Sound Energy's Lower Snake River wind facility is spread across more than 21,000 acres of farm and rangeland in western Garfield County. Nearly all the land is private, locally owned property. While much of this land is open to hunting, hunting on private property is a privilege. Special rules are in place to ensure the safety of hunters, local residents, and wind project workers. These rules are also designed to prevent damage to the wind farm's valuable equipment. Maps show you where hunting is allowed on these wind facility lands and where hunting is off limits. Please familiarize yourself with the map you'll receive and keep it with you in the field. Check your location regularly to make sure you are not trespassing in a no hunting area. Signs throughout the wind facility should help you determine whether you're inside a hunting zone. Not all areas are signed though, so you'll need to check roads and topographical shading on the maps and use them to pinpoint your location. Maps and some signs have GPS coordinates to help you. Some of the terrain is rugged. You are strongly encouraged to scout the wind facility's hunting areas on foot before the opening of hunting season. The map's solid blue line is the wind facility's outer boundary. Within that boundary, the areas shaded in green are open to public hunting. These hunting areas are marked with the initials AWWP, or Access with Written Permission. You must go to Dead Man Creek Outfitters, about 20 miles northwest of Pomeroy along Lower Dead Man Road, to obtain the written permit. Areas that are shaded in yellow also are open to public hunting, but only with written permission from the landowner. These areas are marked with the initials AWWLP. The landowner name and phone number is posted on signs in these areas. The map areas shaded tan or pink are not open to public hunting. You might see hunters in the tan areas or hear gunfire coming from them, but that's because certain hunters have landowner permission to hunt there. The tan areas are marked with the initials PAU, or Public Access Unavailable. The pink areas are marked with the initials AP, Access Prohibited, where no hunting is allowed. You'll need to follow a few important rules when hunting inside the wind project area. These rules are spelled out in the written access agreement you must sign and carry with you at all times while hunting in the Lower Snake River Wind Facility area. Please read these rules carefully. State game agents and the Garfield County Sheriff's Office enforce them. One safety rule you'll see is there's no access of any kind within 100 yards of wind turbines or power substations. This setback from turbines increases to 1,000 feet beginning the third week of November until the third week of February. There's also no shooting or even pointing a weapon at wind turbines, overhead power lines, project buildings, vehicles, gates, fences, poles, or other utility equipment. In addition, there's no driving on private wind facility roads. Motorists inside the facility's approved hunting areas must stay on state or county roads. Also, no horses, pack animals, or ATVs are allowed inside the wind facility unless previously authorized in writing from the landowner. You'll see various other special rules in the access agreement for hunting within the Lower Snake River Wind Facility boundaries. Puget Sound Energy and landowners within the project area greatly appreciate your compliance with these requirements. Thank you and good hunting.